So if 1,05,000 is for 70%, what is the value for 100%? So you will get 1,50,000. If you deduct 63,000 and 25,000 of casual income, you will get balance of 7,78,000. On 7,78,000, apply the slab rate. From self-occupied property, what is the value? 20,000. So set off this 20,000 loss from profit of 42. The balance you will get 22. So 22 is income from house property. Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar, lecturer in Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Dear students, welcome to this new session on chapter Assessment of Individual. So dear students, in the previous session we discussed about the format of computation of total income of an individual, and we also discussed about the slab rates, and we also solved few problems. So in this session, dear students, we will be solving few more problems. Problem number 3, Mr. Sumukh furnishes the following details for the previous year 2020-21. Salary received from private company 5,50,000, rent from house property 20,000 per month, municipal tax paid by the tenant 10,000 and 10,000 by Sumukh, that is the owner of the house. Income from business 2 lakhs, short-term capital gain 20,000, short-term capital loss 8,000, long-term capital gain 40,000, agricultural income 1 lakh, that is in India. Next, interest received on tax-free debentures 45,000. Moving on, interest received on government securities 20,000, dividend from Indian company 10,000, winning from lotteries 1,05,000. Net, we are supposed to make it as gross. Net is nothing but the tax amount is already deducted. We are supposed to add back that tax amount. E paid LIC premium 50,000, deposited in PPF 70,000, paid medical insurance premium rupees 40,000, donation to PM-NRF rupees 50,000. Next, compute taxable income for the assessment year 2021-22. So by using this information, we are supposed to find out the taxable income and the tax liability also. So here salary received, this comes under income from salary. Next, rent from house property, this information is relating to house property. Next, business, income from business relating to business income. Next, short-term capital gain relating to capital gain. Short-term capital loss relating to capital gain. Long-term capital gain relating to capital gain. Agricultural income relating to other sources. Next, interest received on tax-free debentures relating to other sources. Next, interest received on government securities relating to other sources. Dividend from Indian company, yes, other sources. Winning from lottery, yes, other sources. LIC premium paid, it comes under deduction. Next, deposited in PPF, this is also deduction. Paid medical insurance, deduction. Donation to PM-NRF, this is also comes under deduction. So if you mark all the points accordingly, so that it will be very easy to solve the problem. So moving on to the solution part, computation of total income, particulars, amount. So first one is income from salary, salary received. So what is the amount given in the problem? Salary received, it is rupees 5,50,000. So salary received 5,50,000. Next, income from house property, rent received, it is given in the problem. What is the rent received? The rent received is rupees 20,000 per month. Rupees 20,000 per month into 12 months we are supposed to compute. Okay, in a year we have 12 months and we will be receiving the rent for 12 months. So 20,000 into 12 months, you will get 2,40,000. And municipal tax paid by the owner. So what is the municipal tax paid by the owner? Here by Sumukh, it is rupees 10,000. So municipal tax paid by the owner 10,000. Deduct that value, you will get 2,30,000. The 2,30,000 is called annual value. So on annual value, you are supposed to compute 30% of standard deduction. So 30% of annual value, it is 69,000. So deduct 69,000, the balance is 1,61,000. 1,61,000. This is called income from house property. Moving on, Income from business. Yes, what is the amount given in the problem? Income from business 2 lakhs. So we are taking 2 lakhs here. Next, income from capital gain. Short-term capital gain 20,000 and short-term capital loss is 8,000. So set off this 8,000 loss from profit of 20,000. You will get 12,000 from short-term capital gain. And long-term capital gain is how much? 40,000. Altogether, 52,000 comes under income from capital gain. Moving on, income from other sources. So agriculture income, it is exempted. Interest on tax-free debentures, yes, it is also exempted. And interest on government securities, yes, it is also exempted. Next, dividend from Indian company, 10,000, it is taxable. And winning from lottery, in problem they had given net value, that is 1,05,000. We are supposed to make it as gross. So if 1,05,000 is for 70%, what is the value for 100%? So you will get 1,50,000. Total the amount column. You will get 1,60,000. 1,60,000 relating to income from other sources. Next, total the outer column. 5,50,000, 1,61,000, 2 lakhs and 52,000 and also 1,60,000. Total you will get 11,23,000. You will get 11,23,000. That value is called gross total income. Next, less deduction under section 80C to 80U. Deduction under section 80C to 80U. So LIC premium paid is how much? 50,000. Deposited in PPF, yes, 70,000. Medical insurance premium 40,000 and donation to PMNRF 50,000. So total this 4 values, you will get 2,10,000. How much you will get? You will get 2,10,000. But under section 80C to 80U, you can take the maximum deduction of 1,50,000, not more than that. But here we are claiming for 2,10,000. But what is the maximum deduction? 1,50,000. So we are giving 1,50,000 deduction under section 80C to 80U. So deduct 1,50,000. Even though you have spent more than 1,50,000, but you are eligible to claim only 1,50,000, not more than 1,50,000. So deduct that value. Balance 9,73,000. Balance 9,73,000. That value is called total taxable income. So moving on to compute the tax liability. Total income is how much? 9,73,000. So tax on short-term capital gain. Tax on short-term capital gain. Here you can see short-term capital gain. Here 12,000 we have. Long-term 40,000 we have. So short-term capital gain 12,000 into 15%. You will get 1,800. Next, long-term capital gain 40,000 into 20%. You will get 8,000. And tax on casual income. Tax on casual income, that is winning from lottery. Here we have 1,50,000. On 1,50,000 we are supposed to compute 30%. Yes, we all know the tax on casual income is 30%. So now compute 30% on 1,50,000. You will get 45,000. Next, tax on remaining income. Yes, 9,73,000. We taxed 12,000, 40,000 and 1,50,000. So what is the remaining balance we have? On that remaining balance, we are supposed to compute the tax based on the slab rate. So on up to 2,50,000, it is nil. Next, 2,50,000 to 5,00,000, what is the percentage? What is the percentage we have? It is 5%. So if you compute 5%, you will get 12,500. And next, what is the remaining balance we have here? The remaining balance is 2,71,000. So 2,71,000 comes under the slab rate of 5,00,000 to 10,00,000. So 20%. You compute 20%, you will get 54,200. Total, take it to outer column, 66,700. So now, total the outer column values, you will get 1,21,500. You will get 1,21,500. So on this 1,21,500, compute secondary and higher education cess at 4%. You will get 4,860. Add that value, you will get 1,26,360. That value is called total tax. So from total tax less TDS. TDS, that is tax paid on the casual income. Tax paid on the casual income, that is winning from lottery. On that you had paid 45,000. So less TDS 45,000. Next balance is 81,360. So that 81,360 is tax payable by Mr. Sumukh. So this is how we are supposed to compute the tax liability. So you may have a doubt that what is this tax on remaining income? See, our total income is 9,73,000. Okay. From this minus 12,000 rupees. Next minus 40,000 rupees. Next also minus rupees 1,50,000. So whatever the balance you will get, that is called the remaining income. So 9,73,000 is the total income. In that we already taxed 12, 40 and 1,50,000. So deduct this value, balance you will get. On that balance you are supposed to apply the slab rate. 2,50,000, next 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, about 10 lakh. If you apply the slab rate, you will get the values. Next, moving on to the next problem. Problem number 4. From the following particulars of Mr. Ashok, compute the total income for the assessment year 2021-22. Gross salary per annum 3,30,000. Loss from self-occupied property 20,000. Rent from let-out house 60,000. Interest on loan taken for let-out house is 15,000. Loss from speculative business 10,000. Profit from speculation business 25,000. Short-term capital loss is 20,000. Moving further, long-term capital gain 25,000. Long-term capital loss 5,000. Agricultural income from Sri Lanka rupees 30,000. Next, dividend from domestic company 7,000. Winning from lottery gross. Need not to compute this because they are given the gross value 50,000. LIC premium 30,000. Donation to NDF 10,000. Medical insurance premium paid rupees 10,000 by check. So with this information you are supposed to compute the total income and the tax payable. So here the first information relating to salary, yes, the next information relating to house property, and the third information relating to house property. Next information is relating to business. Next, profit from speculation, this is also relating to business. This short-term capital loss relating to capital gain, and long-term capital gain relating to capital gain, long-term capital loss relating to capital gain, agricultural income relating to other sources, dividend from domestic company relating to other sources, winning from lot relating to other sources, LIC premium relating to deduction, a donation relating to deduction, medical insurance premium is also relating to deduction. So moving to solve the problem, computation of total income, particulars, amount. So income from salary, gross salary, what is the salary given in the problem? 3,30,000. Income from house property, rent from let out property, 60,000 we are receiving, municipal tax is not given. Then let us consider the 60,000 only as annual value. So less 30% of annual value, 18,000. Balance 42,000. Balance 42,000. So profit from let out property. Loss from self-occupied property, what is the value? 20,000. So set off this 20,000 loss from profit of 42. The balance you will get 22. So 22 is income from house property. Next, income from business. So loss from speculative business 10,000. Profit from speculative business 25,000. So deduct this loss. Set off this loss from profit. You will get balance of 15,000. Next, income from capital gain. Short-term capital loss 20,000. Long-term capital gain 25,000. Long-term capital loss 5,000. Yes, here short-term capital loss we have 20,000. We can set off it with long-term capital gain. So if you set off 20,000 from 25,000, you'll get 5,000 balance. But we also have loss under long-term capital gain. So deduct this loss also. Outer column you will get nil. So income from capital gain, outer column it is nil. Next, income from other sources. Agricultural income from Sri Lanka 30,000. Dividend from domestic company rupees 7,000. Winning from lottery 50,000. See, in case if the agricultural income is earned in India, then it is exempted. From other country it is taxable. So outer column 87,000. Total the outer column here 3 lakh 30, 22, 15 and 87. You will get 4 lakh 54,000 gross total income. So now less deduction under section 80C to 80U. So LIC premium paid 30, donation to NDF 10,000, medical insurance premium 10,000. So totally 50,000. Deduct 50,000 from 4,54,000. Balance you will get 4,04,000. Balance 4,04,000. It is called total taxable income. Rupees 4,04,000 is called total taxable income. So moving on to compute the tax payable or tax liability. Particulars amount. So total income. What is the total income you have? 4,04,000 is the total income. So tax on casual income, that is casual income. Here you can see winning from lottery we have 50,000 and on casual income it is 30%. So tax on casual income 50,000 into 30%, you will get 15,000 outer column. Next, we don't have long term and short term capital gain. After setting off the long term capital loss and short term capital loss, we got nil in the outer column. So tax on remaining income. So total income is 4,04,000 and that 4,04,000 minus this 50,000, you will get balance of 3,54,000. So on this you are supposed to apply the slab rate. So up to 2,50,000 no tax. Next 2,50,000 to 5,00,000. 2,50,000 to 5,00,000. What is the difference amount we have here in this? The difference amount is 1,04,000. So on 1,04,000 apply 5%. You will get 5,200. And you have to keep in mind that the value is less than 5,00,000. Okay. Here the income is less than 5,00,000. When that income is less than 5,00,000. Okay. That income is less than 5,00,000, then you are supposed to give the rebate under section 87A. You are supposed to give the rebate under section 87A of rupees 12,500. So the amount is fixed. Rebate amount is fixed. 12,500. So less rebate under section 87A 12,500. Then here the taxable value comes to nil because here the income is less than 5,00,000. If this income is less than 5,00,000, then he is eligible to take the rebate of 12,500. So now the rebate is more than the tax payable under slab rate. So that is why it is nil. So now here outside nil. So total outer column you will get 15,000. On 15,000 compute the secondary and higher education cess of 4%. You will get 600. So total that 600 you will get 15,600. So 15,600 is what? Total tax payable. So this is how we are supposed to compute the total income as well as the tax payable. So moving on to the next problem. Problem number 5. Mr. Chirand furnishes the following details for the previous year 2020-21. Salary received by private company rupees 5 lakhs relating to salary. Rent from house property 45,000. Municipal tax paid rupees 5,000 relating to house property. Next, income from business relating to business income. Short-term capital gain relating to capital gain. Short-term capital loss relating to capital gain. Long-term capital gain relating to capital gain. Next, interest on bank deposit relating to other sources. Gross winnings from lottery, other sources. Donation to NDF, deduction. Deposit in PPF, deduction. Agriculture income in India, other sources. Next, foreign agriculture income, it is other sources. So if you mark each income like this, then it will be easy to solve the problem. So moving on to the solution part. Particulars, amount. So income from salaries. What is the income from salary here? 5 lakhs. So here 5 lakh rupees. Next, income from business. It is rupees 2,60,000 in the problem. So take 2,60,000. Next, income from house property. Rent received is 45,000 less municipal tax. So what is the municipal tax given in the problem? It is 5,000. So deduct that 5,000. You will get balance 40. From 40, deduct 30% of annual value. That is 12,000. The balance outer column, that is 28,000. Next, income from capital gain. Short-term capital loss rupees 15,000. Long-term capital gain rupees 70,000. Long-term capital loss, rupees 8,000. So balance outer column 63,000. Moving on, income from other sources. Interest on bank deposit 25,000. Gross winning from lottery 25,000. Agriculture income, that is Indian agriculture income, it is exempt. Next, foreign agriculture income, it is 20,000. Outer column 70,000. So total the outer column. If you total the outer column, you will get 9,21,000. From 9,21,000, deduct the deductions under section 80C2, 80U. Donation to NDF 15,000. Deposit in PPF 45,000. So deduct this 55,000 from 921. You will get 8,66,000. That value is called total taxable income. Moving on to compute the tax liability. Total income is 8,66,000. So tax on long-term capital gain 20% on 63,000. So you will get 12,600. Next, tax on casual income 25,000 into 30%, that is lottery income. You will get 7,500. Next, tax on remaining income. So from 8,66,000, if you deduct 63,000 and 25,000 of casual income, you will get balance of 7,78,000. On 7,78,000, apply the slab rate. So up to 2,50,000, no tax. Next, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. What is the difference amount we have? 2,50,000, 5% tax, 12,500. Next, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, it is difference amount is 2,50,000. Next, 5 lakh to 10 lakh. What is the difference amount we have? 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 2,78,000 we have. So 2,78,000 into 20%, you will get 55,600. So here in the amount column, you will get the total of this two, 68,100. So take it to outer column, add all the values of outer column, you will get 88,200. How much we will get? 88,200. So on 88,200, compute 4% secondary and higher education cess. You will get 3,528. You will get 3,528. So add that value, you will get 91,728. You will get 91,728. So that is the total tax liability. So this is how we are supposed to compute the total income and also the tax liability of an individual. So I hope all of you understood the topic of assessment of individual. So we will meet in the upcoming classes. Until then, thank you all.